Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the live launch is coming for 3 days. So I'm going to talk about your goals, your business goal, or can be a personal goals or profession goals. So my mentor, he taught this information more than 60 years. So what I have learned from him, from them, and this is what I'm going to share with you, is going to be all about your goals. Goals can be your personal goals or professional goals. So I'll be talking about how to set the goals, and then how to write the first have to find the goals, personal goals and professional goals, and then how to set them with the goal card, with the writing, with the date, and then I will talk about what is the meaning of goals. So if you are interested to learn all about goals, so it's going to be live launch on Thursday. So I'll be going to talk all about goals. So this is what I'm going to talk about. So this is what I have learned, and this is what I'm going to share with you, because the information I have learned from my mentors. So we just giving a respect for my mentors and what I have learned. And before I didn't know what is the goals, or what is the meaning behind goals, why we have to have a goals. So all that I'm going to share with you. Let me introduce myself first, and then we're going to talk about a little bit more about the live launch. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm consultant of Thinking to Result. My mentors are Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. And my mentor, he taught this information more than 60 years all around the world. He taught this information, the CEO, the airlines, and the insurance companies, or if you're just staying home, just like me. And this what I have learned from them. You have to have a goals. If you don't have the goals, just imagine that sitting in the car, you're going from one destination to another destination. And if you don't know where you're going from, where you're going from to, and then your mind is going to think in 100 directions, you wouldn't know how to go from one place to another place because you haven't programmed your GP, or you haven't tell the direction to your driving, and you won't know where to go if you don't know where you are, where you're going to go. So you have to know the destination where you're gonna go, and same with the mind. We have to this what I have learned. You have to uh, set your goals, and that means setting the goals, then you know where you are and where you are going. And of course, around the goals, we have to take action. And then this is what I'm going to talk about. So action is the most important, being a persistent, and then of course, then I will talk about how to find the goals first, your personal goals, your professional goals, and how to find them. Then of course, I'm going to ask you how to write your goal card, because to have a gold card is very important. I didn't know you have to have a gold card, and this is what I've learned from my mentors. And you have to have a gold card with the date, and then you have to learn how to write the gold card, and then after once we got the goals, personal goals and professional goals, then we got the gold card, and then of course then we have to take the action. And if we're not going to take the action around the goals, and how we're going to achieve it, and so I'm going to talk all around the goals. So hopefully you can join me. It's going to be on Thursday, and it's going to be recorded anyway, but you try to watch it, and definitely it's going to help you uh, your personal goals and professional goals, and how to set them. And then of course then I will ask you take action also. And before I didn't know why we have to have our goals, and now I'm very much aware of it, why we have to have a goals, and what is important of the goals, and and the goal card, and why we have to take action every day. And because it's everything to do with your own mind. If you don't understand how the mind works, and this is the reason our thoughts are in 100 different directions. And since I have learned, you have to have a goals written on the goal card, and then you have to take action every day. So my mind is more focused, and my mind is not thinking in 100 different directions. And every day I get up and then I start working around my goals. And real meaning of goal is not to something to get. It's about growth. It's a growth of yourself, growth of your mind, growth of your thoughts, growth of your attitude, and growth of your self-image. And it's a lot of things are happening when you start working around the goals. And then you're very much focused. You're not thinking 100 things at a one time, and your mind is not on the negative. Even though your mind goes on the negative, then you know how to bring it back and focus on what we're supposed to do around the goals. And this what really I'm going to talk about the meaning of goals and why we have to do that. And so it's going to be all around the goals. If you are like you have the goals, or you're thinking to achieve your goals, and you are thinking to make a goal card, and with the date, with the formation, and if you want to learn what is the meaning behind the goals, why we have to have a goal. So it's going to be all around the goals. And if you think this is the what you have to learn, and it's going to help you, and definitely this lesson is going to for you, this information is going to for you. And yeah, and yeah, I think that's all I want to share with you today. Is a live it's all about live launch, and tribute to my mentors, because my mentor, he was studying every single day around his goals. And the Sandy Galgash, and she's still studying every single day. Now I have learned why we have to study every single day, what is the meaning behind that. And once you know, then you're really focused, and then you learn how to take action and how to be a persistent. So it's really good to have a goals. It's very important to have a goals, actually. And so we're going to learn all the importance about the goals. And hopefully this lessons information going to be for you. And if it is and then of course you can watch that on Thursday. So I'm going to share everything on Thursday, and it's going to be for 3 days live launch. And hopefully you can take the full advantage of this YouTube and my coming event for tribute to for my mentor Bob Proctor. So thank you for watching the YouTube. Please leave your comments. Comments going to help me improve, because your comments, of course, going to help me. And and uh, and if you do need a further help, please message me, and I can help you with your personal goals and professional goals. And of course, thinking to result going to help you to achieve your goals. So please keep an eye on my YouTube on Thursday for it's going to be all around goals. Not just any goals, the goal you really want as your purpose. So thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.